Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short video quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First we have ease of use. Crayo AI's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners. You have also speed, quickly generates videos without extensive editing knowledge. We have also quality, produce professional looking videos that capture attention. We have efficiency, finally save time with automated features and smart templates. So to more understand, first step you need to do, open your browser and dive into Crayo.ai. So this is the home page. We have here a lot of information. The fastest way to generate short videos. We have here Creo. This is the homepage, how logs. We have here homepage, projects, my uploads, videos, editor, generate story video, generate voice over video, generate text to image video. We have here a script generator, and it's like that. From idea to short videos in seconds. Create unlimited short video at once, auto generate captions, effects, background and music for you. You have your important notes and or important things. We have three types to create a videos. First we have write and outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestion. Here we select story topics like clockwork, detective, garden of whispers, journey to a very. We select also the story tone, funny, mystery, horror, and how much max words you want. About customize and style, we have select story background, the quick brown fox over the, and we select story background, William Mail, Henry Mail, Jason Mail. Then you finish and export. About customs and style, select background, video, voice and music from free templates. Finish and export, choose export format and download generated videos, script or narration. Here we have a lot of information all in one tool for generating video shorts using AI. We have a lot of information, auto videos in seconds, auto subtitles, all scripts, AI scripts generator. We have backgrounds video, multi-purpose videos, AI image generation, so you can read it if you wanna know more information. Here we have ultimate tool for social media growth. Create unlimited shorts videos at once, auto generate captions, effects, background and music for you. We have here Instagram Reels. Turn Instagram Reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. About TikTok's video, we have use AI to make money from the CPB program by creating entertaining content using Crayo. We have also fastless content. Create a video using just a script and create captivating content. Reddit stories, use AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. YouTube shorts, we have create YouTube shorts using an AI voice over script generation to help you make content. We have also Instagram Reels, use AI creators on Crayo to make content for you rather than using your own face. Our customer asks, we have here Daniel, said, Mel, and a lot of information that can help you guys. We have here also experience Crayo. Crayo your gateway to creating viral TikTok clips in seconds, auto-generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Let's know the price right now. The pricing we have for each month, 90. We have three plan. We have the first one, essential plan, 19 for each month, 40 export minutes. We have includes we have 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI images. Second one we have Clipper plan, 39 for each month, 80 export minutes, includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, 250 AI images. We have the Pro plan, we have 79 for each month, includes we have 125 AI videos, limited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. This is for each month. About yearly we have 160 year, same. This is the essential plan. For Clipper plan we have 327 for each year. The Pro plan we have 664 for each year. We have year, not month. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is get started. Then this is the home page. You have your Crayo dashboard, Crayo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. Great, you have spot video, story video, text video, bullet video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools we have AI image, AI voiceover, AI filters, brainstorm, downloader, TikTok downloader, also more. We have affiliate, Discord, and a lot of information, guys. Edit short form in minutes. We have here generate story video, create an AI generated story. We have here generate AI text to image video, have generate voiceover. Popular apps we have split screen video, fake text video, AI avatars, and we have here voiceover story, download YouTube video. So if you want to sign up and start videos, all you have to do is click over here, sign in. You write your name, then your email, and you sign up. You can also continue with Google. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and eventually happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.